Good morning. So today's product spotlight, we are going to talk renovation lending. So there's a lot of misconceptions regarding renovation lending. So the first, renovation lending can be added onto conventional loans, they can be added onto FHA, and they can be added onto VA loans. Now, when you do the renovation piece of it, the down payments all stay the same. So for instance, let's say you have a veteran and either one, they just want to do some upgrades on a house, otherwise that house would be perfect, or two, let's say they have some appraiser required repairs in which the sellers aren't going to do it and the buyers don't have the money. You can escrow those required repairs into the loan. So prime example, roof, $10,000, let's use that for an example on a $250,000 house. We can actually go finance $260,000, keep $10,000 set aside, pay the contractor of their choosing to do the work after closing. So that is the same for conventional lending as is FHA lending. So if you have any questions about renovation lending, let me know.